Astonish. To surprise someone a lot. The magic trick will astonish you. She was astonished by the beautiful gift. Ancient. Very old, from a long, long time ago. The museum has ancient statues. Egypt has many ancient pyramids. Mysterious. Something that is strange or hard to understand. The old house looked mysterious at night. The forest was dark and mysterious. Traditional. Following or belonging to the customs or values. We wore traditional clothes at the festival. They played traditional music at the party. Threaten. To say or show that you will hurt someone or something. He threatened to break my toy. The villain threatened the hero. Rescue. To save someone or something from danger. The firefighter rescued a man from the house. The lifeguard rescued the swimmer from the sea. Fearless. Not afraid of anything. The fearless man jumped into the pool. He made a fearless decision to climb the mountain. Scatter. To throw or spread things in different directions. The wind scattered the papers. The kids scattered their toys everywhere. Genuine. Real and true, not fake. This bag is made of genuine leather. The painting in the museum is genuine. Permit. To allow someone to do something. My parents permit me to stay out late. They permit pets in this hotel.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!